This is OAM Garage. Welcome to my world. Let me show you what I might be doing to it today. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, I don't think I'll ever use any of this anymore, so let's just pull it off. Alright, so I'm going to try to go ahead and take this wood off. It's just a couple of bolts that I put on the inside here that's keeping that thing on. Alright, I got a bolt right there. We're going to stick that there. Got one on the inside right here. Looks like it's about half rotted. Come off now. It needs to be pulled forward a little bit. It is. Now, just take it off. Alright, well that side's not so bad.